Here's a 2018 Chevrolet Trax. Fun to drive, easy to park. This Trax simplifies your life and helps you explore your adventurous side. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, leather steering wheel, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice activation, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. Chevy, 100 years of icons. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.